Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to write a perfect hard-winning ad copy for your Facebook ads. So you can see this particular GIF of Shreya Ghoshal. You won my heart already. So your ad should be something like that only. Like if a person sees that particular ad and he's feels like this, then only your ad is useful. Otherwise, it won't be of any use. So let's get started and let us understand how we can write a perfect ad copy for our Facebook ad. So for example, I have taken this one particular ad from the music classes. So ad is from the company Grow in Steps. Okay. So here you can see so here you can see that this particular ad. So they are saying, are you someone who wants to learn music? Then they have talked about their particular company, what are their offerings. Then there is a call to action. So let us analyze this particular ad. So the first step is your how you are like addressing your audience. So how they are calling their audience is like the first statement you can see, want to learn music online. So this line directly grabs the attention of a person who is thinking of learning music online. So this is a very good headline, but the problem with this headline is, like as you can see, this ad which they are using is the classes they are offering is for the children, small children, and they are showing this ads to the parents of these children. So they can use a line something like that, looking for a right music class for your kids, something like that, so that it becomes more relevant to the audience they are catering to, which are the parents of these children. Now coming to the second part is addressing the problems the your prospective customers are facing. So like if you don't understand the problems your user are facing, then you won't be able to provide them the right solution. So coming to that, uh, as you can see in this particular ad, what they have done is they are saying that want to learn music online. Then they are talking about their company, that it's the first holistic education platform. Then they are talking about the offerings, engaging live sessions, interactive teaching methodology, everything. But in this particular ad copy, they have not mentioned anything about the problems their user are facing. So they should have mentioned some of the problems or the pain points which their users face. So some of the suggestions for that are you someone who is looking for expert guidance for your child to learn music? Then the second one could be, are you someone who does not have time to drop their children at offline music classes? Because there might be the chances that there are parents who doesn't have time to take their children to the offline music classes due to their busy schedule. So online class would be a better option for them. So you can like target those audiences. Then the third is, are you looking for an online course which has a flexible timings? So as it this course is for the children, so they must be going to school, they have to do their homework and everything. So their parents will not want that their studies will hamper uh, in this particular case. So they must be looking for some course with flexible timings. So if you have such offering, you can mention that as a pain point. Now coming to the last part, call to action. So the call to action is very simple. You can see they have used the image ad, and then they are talking about the classes which they are offering. And in the call to action button, they have their link of the website, then the sign up button, and then they have clearly asked people, book your demo class now. And like they are telling that they have wide ranges of courses and instructors with your comfortable timing. So this is a call to action, which is a good call to action, and I don't see much problem here. So for this particular section, I don't have any suggestion for them. But this is the overall thing which I want to suggest. Like if you are creating a particular Facebook ad, things you should be careful about is that you should uh, address the problems your prospective users are facing, which will create an impact, and it will make them uh, click on your ad or engage with your ad more prominently. And your first line should be very catchy and very specific and crisp. So these are the things which we have learned in this particular video, and I hope you like this particular video, and I will come up with more videos uh, very soon. So thank you so much for your time and attention. Bye bye.